Hi guys, welcome again to Women Styles. I want to celebrate this beautiful short hairstyles today because it's a style that embraces your natural beauty with this iconic styles. It really also celebrates the versatility of your natural textures. So for those out there definition and uniform colors, just watch this video to the end because it's a hair that will really take your natural hair to the next level. It can really shield the strands from environmental damage and reduces your daily wear, because one thing with this style, you can adorn it with your hair jewelry to always make it look beautiful, and it's that beautiful haircut that will give it that vibrant voluminous look that can be tailored to fit any occasion, either from the casual outings to the formal event. Because these styles, you can see, they are that modern beautiful short hairstyles that brings those rebellious vibes to your natural look. It really embraces your unique style with this skirt. I love this haircut because one thing with this style is that it will accentuate your beautiful face and it will allow your hair to really take the stage, like making sure having the two sides shaped lower and leaving some hair on the top. Sometimes you can experiment with colors to really highlight your personality, but have this at the back of your mind. Remember to always nourish your hair with color safe products and make sure your natural hair are always moisturized to really keep your hair healthy and to make it shine. Just show off your natural choices with pride with these beautifully unique short haircuts that will make you look beautiful and always make you fashionable. Thank you so much and God bless you.
What do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you are my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so top, I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. to you, I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so happy, I used to do it in the morning. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so happy, I used to do it in the morning. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so happy, I used to do it in the morning. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you, I tell you, you're throwing my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, be my baby. I feel to get us so happy,